We have that one here. YFC Masun. Hello. Shout out to you. Thank you for coming. This is our mini gardens. We have tomato, chili, spinach, climbing spinach. Bayan. We have the top. We have it's a lot of. You have lettuce in the pot. Hi, Primitive. Shout out. Thank you so much. Lagi kang nandyan sa live ko. I will harvest some of my lettuce today. So, there you go. There's two kinds of lettuce. Okay. Ayun yung ano ko. Eggplant. 1, 2, 3. Yung white eggplant yung isa. 3 puno lang. Ngayon, mag-harvest ako ng lettuce. Dinadahon-dahonan ko lang yan. Just only the leaves. Thank you. And then, I have some tomato, chili, lettuce, gabi, taro plants. I have alugbati or climbing spinach, and behind that is potato, small patatas. Over there, the big one is, I have, take a look, I have calamansi. This is pipino. Hindi pa, wala pang ko. This is our 4 years old calamansi. We have flowers right now. See? Pagka winter, pinapasok sa loob. Patatas yan. Patatas. Harvest tayo ng kuan. Magtanggal ako ng dahon ng kuan eh. Wait. Thank you, Primitive. And harvest ako ng lettuce. Hi! Shout out everyone. Harvest tayo. Yun. Ayan ang lagayan natin.